Do you even wonder, what if an aircraft crash? Who will be responsible for this incident? The pilot, the mechanic, or the engineer? The answer will be in this box. This is where the black box comes in handy. This black box contains vital information 2 hours before the aircraft crash. Its altitude, velocity, location, even the communication between the pilots. This will help the investigators to determine who has the real fault for the incident. Is it questionable why it is called black box when it is color orange? The bright color orange is supposed to see in deep waters. It also has a light indicator to help the divers to locate the box. The black box can withstand severe mechanical and thermal shocks, as well as the high pressure that exists when a body is immersed at depth in water. The unit is thermally insulated and hermetically sealed to prevent the ingress of water. The box can withstand an impact of about 3,400 grams per 6.5 milliseconds. It is fire resistant in about 1,100 degrees Celsius per 30 minutes. Can be submerged 20,000 feet below sea level. It can record 30 minutes to 2 hours of conversation of the pilots while having a battery life of 30 days while submerged. The black box is usually located in the aft passenger cabin ceiling. The microphone is usually located on the overhead instrument panel between the pilots to actually record the voice. The unit should only be opened by authorized personnel following an aircraft crash or overhaul. There are 2 major parts of black box: the cockpit voice recorder and the flight data recorder. Cockpit voice recorder, or CVR for short, records the conversation between crew members and with the air traffic control with 2 hours recording before the flight ends. While the FDR records the technical flight data, including temperature, speed, altitude, and trajectory with 25 hours of recording time. There is one more important part of black box, and that is the underwater locator beacon. The underwater locator beacon comes in handy when an unfortunate aircraft crash in vast oceans. It is a self-contained device that emits an ultrasonic vibration, typically at 37.5 kHz when underwater. The beacon can transmit from depths down to 14,000 feet. I hope you learn and enjoy watching this video. Thank you for listening. And again, I'm PJ Bayani, and to my editor, Delfin, from Fiati University. See ya!